Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe payments for your online store. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account at stripe.com. If you do not have an account, sign up by clicking on the sign up button. Once logged in, locate the Developers tab on the left sidebar. Click on API keys under the Developers section. You will see a list of API keys including the publishable key and secret key. Copy the publishable key and keep it handy for later use in your online store. Next, copy the secret key, but make sure to keep it secure. Now, head over to your online store platform. Log into the admin dashboard of your store. Navigate to the Payment Settings or Checkout Settings section. Look for an option to enable or integrate with Stripe. Paste the publishable key into the designated field for your store. Do the same for the secret key in the appropriate field. Make sure to save your changes before moving on. Next, set up your products or services in the store. Add pricing details and ensure they are correctly listed. Now, go to the Stripe dashboard and click on Products. Create a product that matches the item you just fill in the necessary product details, including name and price. Once the product is created in Stripe, link it back to your store. Return to your online store and test the checkout process. Make a test purchase to verify that payments are processing correctly. If the test is successful, you're ready to go live. Now, return to your Stripe dashboard. Ensure you switch from test mode to live mode. This will allow you to start accepting real payments. Congratulations! You've successfully configured Stripe payments for your online store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.